Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Yeah, big up and respect. So in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and I'm going to talk a little bit about these videos as well with you, my viewers and subscribers. You can also let me know what you think about these videos as well, alright? Now, the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show when a police officer had been pulled over by the police within the country that is known as Guyana, alright? Now, let's take a look at this video and see if we can get an understanding as to what really happened. Observe with me.
Wind up the window.
Wind up the window.
Wind it up.
I'm not telling that.
So you're defiance. Right? You can get it right this morning. Reverse the vehicle. Reverse the vehicle. The direction I'm giving you is to reverse the vehicle from right. Constable.
Here? Constable.
Blake.
Blake. Why am I telling him to wind up the
Hi. Pay attention what's going on there. You reverse, Blake. You reverse.
Yeah, man, listen with me, people.
God, you turn in there.
Listen with me, people. Listen with me. Listen. Listen. Listen.
Where is it in permit, Mr. Blake?
Chief, my grandfather is the owner for this vehicle, Mr. Shart.
Good. Fair enough. Therefore, it means I will take the vehicle to Lagrange Police Station, where it will be examined by a licensing and certifying officer. Right, Mr. Blake? Yes, very well.
My people, did you hear him say something about a tint permit? Yeah, it sound like me and say, where is your tint permit? You know what I mean? Tint. So you see what I go on, the people? You see what I go on? It look like say it have those whole situation have something to do with the tint on that motor vehicle, my people. You see me I say, but you can't tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. You see me, although that's somewhat of information that I got about this video, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Anyways, my people, so I want to brace yourself, viewers and subscribers, because I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a robbery that happened at a place that is known as Twingates Plaza. That's within the parish of St. Andrew. That's within the country that is known as Jamaica. The video shows when a person grabs something or some things from someone and then ran away. See? Some person might call a person they are thief. You see me, I say, my people? Now, that incident happened within the month of January the year 2022. If you look at the video, you will see a date on the video. Yeah, if you look at this video, you will see a date on this video. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe with me. Look at the video carefully now, my people. When you take notice of the people, they must stand up beside like then they are the motor vehicle. When I say people, I mean persons, we should say. Just look at those persons at the side of the vehicle, motor vehicle. Watch this person walk up to them. Look. You see that? Whatsoever that person grab and just run away. Yeah, so that incident happened at Twingates Plaza in St. Andrew, Jamaica within the month of January the year 2022. My people, just be careful out there. See me I say, just be careful. I'm not try to be in any way bashing my Jamaicans them because I don't know, I love my Jamaica people. So me I say, but you have some persons out there is like they don't want to work. Straight up and down. You see me I say? So me just make you know. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a motorist motor vehicle was being seized by persons who work for a wrecking company that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. However, allegedly it is said that the motor vehicle officially had been seized by the police within the country of Jamaica for parking at a certain location within the country of Jamaica. So I want to take a look at this video and tell me what they think, my people. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
So when I go to the car, I can't move my car faster than I do. When I go to the car, I can't move my car general. You have rights now when I move my car for. I'm moving. No, move that no general. Some people come to the car. The car and go with it. Watch it. More car to the car and the car that's going to move the car for. Oh God, man. No man, let's not call the police thing for this.
Roughy, my people. Yes, so officially the police are seizing motor vehicle, you know, because in park somewhere where it's some form of illegal parking. Yes, what I say, my people? See? So my people and go up say each and everyone can learn from this video. Although you have a lot of people where don't know about the situation and still make the mistake. Alright, my people, so watch this now, my people. I want to take a look at this video that shows a man riding a motorcycle and a dog was on the motorcycle. Now some persons might find the things shown in this video to be dangerous because, you know, in my point of view, you know, it's just that the fact that a dog is on a motorcycle while the motorcycle is in motion, some people might find it dangerous. So me I say, yeah, the dog have on a helmet, sir. Yeah, you know what I mean? Oh, so you go still. See me? So tell me what you think about this video, alright? Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe with me.
Up there, Dreamer, up there. Oh God, the dog skip! Skip it! You! Oh, fuck, love me, Jay! Outside! Yo! Yo!
John no dog! Hey, my people, me tell you something, man. I saw you go. You know, we are Jamaicans. You know what I say? I'm not just Jamaicans. You know, people love a little excitement every now and then. I like me, I tell. And we have some people love the adrenaline of this whole thing. Yeah! You see me, I say? Alright, so tell me what you think about all those videos that I presented to you in this video. You don't know me Dancehall skilla. Me only there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. Until the next time, make sure to stay safe, walk good, and big up on yourself. You see? Until next time, we're gone now.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla Entertainment.